Hey guys, now I'm gonna draw a new thing that's called the level for the Space Godzilla. So let's get started to draw. Okay, so let's start to draw the eyebrow. So first put a diagonal line. Then we put a curved line up for the eyebrow. And then we put eye there. Then we put like that. Then we add a pupil. Then we color that in. Leave that white pupil like that. Then we add a curved line over it. Then we add a down line like that. Like that. A line down. Line like that for the top mouth. And then go like that for his mouth. Then we go there. Then some teeth. And we add some teeth there. Then we put that where it usually struts. And then we put those teeth. Then we add a line down for his neck. Then we add like that. And like that for his jaw. I'll stop first, and then I'll add the top. Like that. Then we'll add his hand going down at a diagonal line, a big one. Then we add his claws. Like that. And add that curve. Like that. Then we add a big pointy thing like Space Godzilla usually have. And a thing there on his head. I'll make it a little bit bigger. Like that. Then we add his broad neck. Then we start with his hand. And point it. Connect. And here's the other one. Then we continue with his body. Then his tail. Like that. And then we continue. Go for our fat leg. That. We'll start again. And we'll add. Start. Curve line. There we go for it. Then another one. Like that. Cute line for the details. So I want to color it be very great. The tail. Okay, now we have our basic drawing of the Space Godzilla. Now all you have to do is add in all the details. Okay, now first we add some lines around the eye. And then we add a broken line for the lip. Then we add some curved lines. Like that. And we add like that. For his eyebrow, then some on his hands. Then we add some lines around his body and his legs. And some claws. Here also a big claw. Some lines around the tail. Then we add some the ice crystals. It's Space Godzilla. We'll continue with the lines. So now we have our basic shape of the level 40 Space Godzilla. Now I have to fast burst start curling this. Okay, now here is your drawing of the Space Godzilla. Bye. I hope you enjoyed it.